pause right now. How many tabs are open in your mind? Homework, deadlines, messages, expectations. It's a lot, isn't it? But imagine this. Just 4 minutes today could make the next 24 hours calmer, sharper, and happier. That's mindfulness. And no, it's not about sitting like a monk. It's about training your attention, just like building muscle in the gym. Here's the truth. The human brain wanders almost half the time. That means your attention is leaking during class, in meetings, even in conversations. Mindfulness is how you plug that leak and bring focus back. Think about when stress spikes. Your body flips into fight or flight. Heart racing, breathing fast, thoughts spiraling. But mindfulness, just a few calm breaths, nudges you back into rest and digest. Stress lowers, decisions get clear. People who do this for even a few minutes a day often say they sleep better, argue less, and feel more in control. It's not magic. It's practice. Reps for your attention. Picture this. A student before an exam. Nervous, heart pounding, 1 minute of mindful breathing. And suddenly the jitters settle, memory sharpens. Instead of blanking out, they recall what they studied. Athletes use it before big plays, performers before stepping on stage. And it's not just for teens. Imagine an adult juggling work pings and family needs. Before firing off a heated reply to an email, they pause. Just 30 seconds. That pause saves hours of regret. Even the commute can change. Walking to class, riding the bus, or heading to work. Done mindfully, you arrive lighter, sharper, more ready. No extra time, just different attention. Let's try it together, right now. Sit or stand comfortably. Unclench your jaw, drop your shoulders. Breathe in through your nose for 4. Hold for 1. Exhale through the mouth for 6. And repeat. Now notice one sound around you, one sensation in your body, and one thing you can see. If a thought interrupts, "What's next? Did I reply?" Don't fight it. Just label it thinking. Then return to the breath. That's the rep. Distraction isn't failure. Returning is training. So how do you make this part of your day? Here are a few simple ways. In the morning, before even touching your phone, take 5 slow breaths. Then set one line of intention. Today, I'll bring calm to challenges. That's how you frame the day, before the world frames you. Before studying, or right before a meeting, close your eyes. Count 10 breaths. If your mind drifts, restart at 1. When you honestly reach 10, you're ready. Notice how much sharper your focus feels. And here's another trick. Use transitions. Every time you walk through a doorway, step into an elevator, or wait at a bus stop, use it as your cue. Inhale, exhale, soften your shoulders. Notice where you are. Link the habit to things you already do, and it sticks. So what do you really gain from this? You gain focus. You catch distractions quicker and waste less time coming back. You gain emotional balance. You still feel everything, but you're not dragged everywhere by it. You gain stronger choices. A 2-second pause before reacting can save friendships, grades, and even opportunities. And most of all, you gain confidence, because you realize your attention is yours to control, not something an algorithm owns. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow, just 2 minutes. Same time, same place. Set a reminder on your lock screen. Breathe, notice, return. A week from now, see if stress hits softer and focus lasts longer. Small practice, big ripple.